My name is Emil. I'm a digital strategist. I answer marketing questions. This is episode 49. I love this question. It's about Amazon and how to profitably market your Amazon listing on Facebook. This question is from Reddit and it's from Frustrated Student 96. I can feel you. Does anyone here run FBA ads to Amazon product page? From what I understand, many Amazon sellers stick with PPC on their platform, meaning the Amazon platform. And those who run FB ads generally send it to a Shopify product page, which is pretty standard. He's absolutely right. Would there be an advantage to running Facebook ads to Amazon product page? I would assume the conversion rate would be higher than Shopify since consumers trust Amazon more. 5,000% correct. But at the same time, FB is expensive and might end up costing more than the Amazon PPC. Quite right. Let's break this down. In this video, I'm going to cover Amazon stores on FB consideration, like why your Amazon store should be on FB, but how to really factor all the variables in. Number two, why most fail to properly promote their Amazon listing on Facebook. And the last one is how to train two algorithms for the price of one. But first, every Sunday, I send out one email that recaps all the marketing questions I answered that week. If you want to stay up to date on best practices, strategies, and become an overall stronger marketer, I think you would really enjoy this recap. It would mean the world to me if you could subscribe to the newsletter and my YouTube channel. Now, back to the answer. Your business is a machine. On one side, you put money in. On the other side, hopefully, you get even more money out of it. That's how you know the system is working. And that system, that machine that makes you money, has a lot of closed systems within it. Operations, product sourcing, marketing, advertising, all of these placements are closed systems you can control to increase your return on investment. So starting from that point, we have to understand that Amazon is just one closed system inside of your machine. Facebook is another closed system. Shopify is another closed system. All of these closed systems can work together if you know how to optimize for it. So if you think about it as an optimization for your machine rather than for Facebook or Google Shopping or Amazon itself, what the decisions are and how to properly utilize these platforms becomes a little clearer. So in this case, let's take your Amazon store first and say, we're going to optimize this closed system, Amazon, and we need to understand what the goal is, what optimization looks like. First, the Amazon goal that we're after. Are we a new Amazon listing or store that needs traffic? Are we, do we just have to be on Amazon because every one of our competitors there and a large percentage of our audience is there? And sometimes you just need to diversify. You've hit a plateau with online sales from Facebook or YouTube or Google Shopping, and you know there's another tier available in Amazon. Whatever your Amazon goal is, once you establish what you're optimizing for, now you can bring in the outbound marketing needed to hit that goal. For true success, we have to go to where our audience is. Our audience is on Facebook. They're on Instagram. They're on YouTube. They're on Reddit. They're on Twitter. Our job for our brand, for our product, is to go to each one of these platforms and educate the consumer and build value around our product. That's all Facebook is. That's all Instagram is. It's a social network where you could distribute content. Sales happen after somebody's educated about their product, understands the value of it, has value built in, has a need and a want established. This is what you have to do on the distribution networks, which is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google Shopping. These distribution networks, all they do is put you in front of your potential audience. How you utilize them is where the magic happens. Being native on any platform you're on is a boon for you, for your customer base, and for your bottom line. We make the mistake of thinking we're going to create an ad, we're going to get some good targeting, we're going to pull people off of Facebook, they're going to see this amazing landing page, and they're going to buy our product. It couldn't be further from the truth. I recorded two videos. These are both about hacking or optimizing for the Facebook algorithm. And this isn't something tangential or something that I kind of willy-nilly'd. This is directly from Facebook Meta's documentation, their core algorithmic documentation on how to get the best results from Facebook. If you want to know how to hack the system, these are two videos I guarantee will change your life. And here's to summarize it. This is how most people have traditionally run Facebook campaigns. And this is the mentality that is being applied to anybody who tells you you can't run a successful Facebook campaign for your Amazon store, because they follow this model. They're like, okay, I've got a campaign, I've got this product, I'm going to do my CBO, I'm going to figure out my ABO, I'm going to do all this BSO, and then you get your targeting. This is where it all happens. I'm going to find single mothers who really like shovels or something really crazy, and then you're going to create that ad group. Then you're going to be like, you know what, how about single dads who do backflips, and can I locate people who look alike, like the audience of people who added to cart for 4 million times. Ooh, yeah. And then my goal is to give Meta, Facebook, Instagram, all of this data, and they're going to find the right audience, they're going to find the right people, and those people are either going to give me a 2+ ROAS, and if they do fail, I exit it. I kill that ad group. But if they go to my website and they are truly successful and I am getting a 2x ROAS, I'm going to scale this to hell and back. This is what's going to happen. And then everybody's in the forums. Everybody's talking about chaos. Every marketer is saying, oh, this worked, now it doesn't work. Marketing on Facebook sucks. Nothing's working. My Facebook pixel needs to be primed. This isn't working. My account is closed. And this is what everyone looks like. You're all chasing your own tails because you're trying to find a hack in the system. You're trying to find a process that just isn't there, that has never been there. And it's because we have a poor understanding of algorithms and how they work. Marketing your Amazon listing on Facebook is pretty straightforward. I'm going to break it down here, how it works for me and for my clients, and this works every single time. It has worked before I was 14, works after I was 14, because I'm playing ball with Meta. I'm not trying to pull people off their platform. First, top of funnel. I optimize for video views, have kick-ass content, great video views, expand somebody's understanding of the product through image and carousels, and when they click a CTA, it's more than likely going to be instant experience, a canvas ad. And I'm going to create a really dynamic canvas experience for them to understand the offer. Middle of funnel, still on Facebook. They've never left Facebook. I'm going to now target people by video views by time or video views by percentage. So let's say anybody who's watched more than X amount of my video, or anybody who's watched 25% or more, depending on the length of the video. And then anybody who's clicked an outbound link on my instant experience or has been X amount of time on the instant experience. Again, I'm optimizing for people who found the top of funnel content interesting, valuable, informative, because those people, I don't need to worry about what device they're on. I don't need to worry about what I can track. Facebook is natively tracking this for me, and they're telling me these are the people that watch. And I don't have any of that data. I'm not violating any privacy, but I'm keeping people on Facebook and Instagram's platform, and they're going to reward me with lower CPAs, CPCs, and better audience matching. Then middle of funnel, what I'm doing is these people I've targeted from top of funnel, I'm going to give them a discount code through a lead form. This is freaking killer. You're like, oh, I would like that. Well, you issue a Amazon discount code to them, and all they have to do is give you your email. The reason this works so well is because not only are you issuing a discount code, but you're getting to track something that Amazon removes from you, is who your audience is, so you can continue the conversation with them. You can use a discount code through Messenger as well. It works equally the same. Be creative. Find how it works. But the secret and reason this works is I'm going from Meta to incentivized native lead capture. I'm using what's built within Facebook to give me lead information, and then I'm passing on the deal, the sale, or the bottom of funnel to Amazon. In bottom of funnel, all I do is just a great ad. They've already been exposed to it. It's people who's watched more than 50% of the video, engaged with the instant experience, possibly given me their email already, completed the lead form. At that bottom of funnel, it's just a great ad that summarizes the product and why you need it. And I use link attribution. Simple as that. Now, Amazon, I always set up Amazon retargeting campaigns because all these people were pushing into Amazon are now viewing our product, viewing like products, and we want to be able to retarget them because it works so well. And in the process, we're training two algorithms. We're training Facebook meta algorithm of the audience who's into our product from top of funnel, middle funnel, or bottom of funnel. And it's all native. I'm not worried about pixels or my website or anything like that. And then on the Amazon side, all these people who are interested are now getting to the page, and Amazon's learning, and their machine learning is saying, "Oh, we understand the kind of people that like your product and other things that they buy, so your Amazon campaigns are going to do better and faster on there." So you're training two algorithms for the price of one. This is priceless, and I swear to you, when you execute against this, you're going to think you're a god or something. I really hope this helped. I hope it added value, some context, and gives you the insight you need to just really kick ass for your Amazon listing on Facebook. If it did, it would mean the world to me if you give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to this Sunday recap, and let me know if you have any other questions. As always, good luck and happy marketing.